So prior to Wagon, I was working at ASOS as a merchandiser for about 4 years. And then over lockdown, I started to learn to code, which then obviously led me to Wagon. And it was probably the best decision I ever made.
My name is Lola and I'm a junior software developer at Patchwork Health. I joined Wagon because I wanted to develop my skills and move my career towards technology.
So before doing the Wagon bootcamp, I worked in retail and merchandising for almost 12 years.
My name is Anne, I'm French and I've been living in London for the past 2 years and I'm a freelance full-stack developer. I come from a business background where I was studying business management and strategy consulting, and I was working first in consulting and then as a customer success manager for a software company.
Wagon gave me the foundation to look for employment with confidence.
I think the hiring tools have been great. You've got a dedicated careers team here who their main goal is to help you find your next position. There's this thing called the talent pool. Been able to put all of my information basically online for tech companies to review and potentially reach out to me.
The most rewarding part of the bootcamp was successfully completing, doing a career transition right after completing the course. So actually the support that I've gotten from the staff and the alumni since graduating has been extraordinary. But I'm actually working with an alumni now at ASOS. So I took the decision to take the product management career path, but the peers that I studied with have now become data analysts, data scientists, data engineers. One of the competencies that I gained from doing the bootcamp is that it enabled me to demystify some of the data science jargon and turned what used to be buzzwords into words that I'm confident using on a day-to-day basis and do my role as a product manager.
Wagon prepared me really well for my career change since he gave me all the resources and tools to become a proper full-stack developer and keep on learning on my own. And he gave me access to this huge community which can help you when needed.
The best bit of the bootcamp were the people. When you actually work with a team and you build a project from scratch, you realize how much you learn.
The alumni channels are also really, really useful. There's constant jobs that are being advertised on our Slack channels.
During the bootcamp, we really all became friends, all became co-workers, and hopefully we'll keep that relationship going on for a long time.
My best bit of the bootcamp was the intensity and the amount of things you would learn in such a short time in 9 weeks, and also all the great people I've met. So far I have 2 freelance projects. I'm working on a project management app for a charitable trust in France, and I'm working as a teacher for Wagon.
Before I was a midwife, and in just 9 weeks I was able to find a job as a web developer. And Wagon have given me the opportunity to do that.
Anyone that's looking to do Wagon, just do it.